Hello, viewers. Today I am going to talk about geography. Now, geography is, well, one of those things that is very important in our daily lives. And throughout school, you will do projects, numerous tests, study everything to do with geography. And why is geography so important? Because geography determines our culture and our ethnicity. And what color our skin will be, and what kind of foods we eat, and our traditions and beliefs, and religion. Geography was before history. Geography came first, then history came after. Geography is completely just based on, well, the Earth, obviously, and continents. Geography is, well, the thing that makes up our very world. Or at least one of the things. You, depending on where you are exactly, it will make you up as a person, depending on where you are from the world or your parents. That all depends on geography, not history. Geography is one of those things we have to understand more in depth. We are obviously human. We need to keep track of all the territories and countries, states and provinces there are. That's why we use geography. Geography is also used to make maps, because you need geography to make a map. You need to know where all the rivers and lakes and oceans are, where the forests are, where the mountains are, where the roads are, where the main concentration of people are. Everything, really. Without geography, our world would be very dysfunctional. Geography and math work hand in hand. Without those two things, I think our world would be very, very dysfunctional, or almost non-existent. Geography, well, to put it this way, there's a thing called a compass, which I'm pretty sure you know what it is. And the compass measures the degrees, 360 degrees. And it has, well, a magnetic polarity to the North Pole and the South Pole. That's why your compass is always kept in check. Geography is one of the things that we can't change. There's no changing geography at all. It's just like that. Can't alter it, we can't change it, we can't really do anything to it. We just need to learn it and know it. Geography has been studied for hundreds and hundreds of years. People finally are just figuring out that, hey, maybe it depends on the geography, not the history. Of course, scientists are doing this, but we aren't necessarily paying too much attention to it. I don't think we realize how much importance geography is. I really don't think we realize that. Geography just, it has to be incorporated in our lives somehow. So you may ask how we developed geography. Well, that was back in Columbus days. They had maps, and the maps just really included what they knew. So there was Europe and maybe Asia, but there was no North America, and probably no South America at the time too. All throughout history, we've explored our own planet and discovered new places. And obviously we have to name these places. And then the people who inhabit that place, well, it's called a nationality. The country of where you're born is part of the globe. You need to appreciate, I think we all need to appreciate the simple mindedness and easiness it is to navigate a map when you actually know what you're doing. We need maps for everything, really. And I was saying, geography goes hand in hand with math. These things work very well together. All the distance that is completely measured, you obviously need math to measure it. So, geography is one of the things that we definitely can't live without. There are so many interesting types of geography. You will probably learn lots of geography in socials. Probably. That's what the main class you'll study it in. The thing is that we have maps, and we have communications, and we have satellites, we have phones, we have all this. But we have explored more of outer space than our own oceans. Even though the ocean is very vast, I still find that very sad. Of course, it would take a huge chunk of time and resources to explore the entire world's oceans. Probably take maybe 10 to 20 years to explore it fully and discover all the species. We just don't know it though. But we'll probably find more on our own planet than the reaches of the galaxy. The close reaches, anyway. The far reaches, we could find evidence of another Earth, or more about our planet. But we have so much left to still discover about our planet. And there probably is a lot more that we haven't covered yet. So, geography makes up the basic building blocks, you could say, of our modern world. Some of you may despise it, of course, or may you don't like it, or you completely hate it. But whatever the case, you still need it. It will always be there, and it will always be a part of your life. No matter if you like it or not, or you want it there, or you don't want it there. Geography will always be there. Sure, history is being rewritten because we have electronic devices to put it in, but if you get it wet, it's all gone. Completely destroyed, unrecoverable. That's why books should never, ever go out of style. I don't think that will happen anytime soon. The basics of geography were developed, well, we could say in the before times, in BC times. Then these secrets were lost, and the Europeans rediscovered them. So what I'm trying to say is that early civilization had a better grip on this earth than 1500s, 1600s European. Our early history, the ancient world, I guess you could say, had definitely more idea, better calculations, and much brighter people. So geography comes before history. History comes after geography. Because geography is based history is of course based on geography. And geography, well, it determines really everything. You will still need to study in school no matter what. You still need to integrate it into your life. And you still need it no matter what. There is no real way to get rid of it. It's always going to be there. Geography can make your life better, make your life worse. But it will always be there. You can never actually get rid of it. It's been there for a very long time. Since people could read or write, we've had geography. So, I just want you all to remember that no matter what, we cannot live without geography. This goes hand in hand with math. And it's completely related to our daily, modern lives. So, Thank you for watching, viewers.